Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add a shipping method to your listing on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to the section selling that is located at the bottom side of your screen, and open your basically listing, so you can start creating a listing, or if you have some listings in the drafts, you can use those as well. So open your listing, basically the listing summary, and scroll down to the section shipping, and here you can enter your package details, and save them. As you can see, for this specific item I have shipping service only FedEx, because free label is provided, but if you ship internationally, so move the slider to the right, and here you can choose your shipping service. So here are many options to choose from. When you are done, so for example this one I choose, okay, so it is automatically updated. Okay, so that's basically how you can add shipping method to your listing. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.